পুলিশের গুন্ডারাজ চলবে না আপনি জবাব মারি নাই এঞ্জেল লিয়াং বই অভিজিৎ দেববর্মা উপমানে আপনি জবাব মারি নাই ডিপ্রেশনে এরেং এরেং সাত মানে আপনি জবাব মারি নাই এক জবা চলি নাই চিলি জবা চলি খা ইয়েসামনি জবা চলি খা ডিপ্রেশনি জবা চলি খা এরেং এরেং তংলিয়া সিরিং সিরিং তংলিয়া চিলি জবা চলি খা চিনি জবা চলি খা চিনি জবা চলি খা সরকারি উগ্রপন্থী কিশোর বনিনা গ্রেপ্তার মাস খালাই নাই সরকারি উগ্রপন্থী কিশোর বনিনা চাকরি টার্মিনেন্ট মাস খালাই নাই এক জবা চলি নাই এক জবা চলি খা এক জবা চলি খা আরে বিপ্লব দেব হাই হাই আরে রাজ্য সরকার হাই হাই আরে বিপ্লব দেব হাই হাই এই বিপ্লব দেব হাই হাই রাজ্য সরকার হাই হাই রাজ্য সরকার হাই হাই রাজ্য সরকার হাই হাই ডিপ্রেশনে এরেং এরেং বুমানে আপনি জবাব মারি নাই ডিপ্রেশনে এরেং এরেং বুমানে আপনি জবাব মারি নাই এক জবা চলি নাই এক জবা চলি খা এক জবা চলি খা এক জবা চলি।
As you all know, that was on 13 January 2022. Two of our students, indigenous students, they were coming back from their college. On the way, their vehicle broke down for the reason that it was a machinery thing, they have nothing to do. Suddenly, it happened to be that the chief minister is also on their way. So on that particular time, the traffic police headed by Kishore Bonik and some other officials, they took the vehicle along with Angel Riang and Abhijit Debbarma, saying that they have violated the traffic rules. They have taken them to the traffic office where they have tortured them in a third-degree manner. Now, what we would like to say is, the traffic police or any other police these days cannot torture physically. But this traffic police, who is the gunda of the government, they have tortured Angel Riang and Abhijit Debbarma very heinously, which was intolerable, as they are also a student and member of the Tiprasa. So they have even used very slang language. They have beaten up, they have kicked them in the private parts. So this is not the way that they should torture them. And it happened that the students, the people, they have also written written complaint to the NCCPS Agartala, where they have not registered the case so far. Now, these days, what is the reason that they are not accepting or they are not registering the case? Whereas, other side, the police people have lodged a complaint against Angel Riang and Abhijit Debbarma, which is totally opposite. Now here, if the police personnel, if the police station does not register the case of the Angel Riang and Abhijit Debbarma, by tomorrow 3 p.m., the TSF, the Tiprasa people as a whole will go for a greater Andolan. We may be starting with a 12-hour ban on the 17th, that is Monday. And in spite of that, if the government is not ready to cooperate with us, we are going for a further greater movement, which they should feel that this particular Kishore Bonik, he used such words that which is likely to bring communal tension between us. And this also, he also used that tribal hair, these people are tribal, kicking on the private parts. So this is very intolerable to the indigenous people. So this also falls under the ST Atrocities Act 1989. So the officials, Kishore Bonik and others, should be punished, and they should be terminated from their job. They should be punished under the ST Atrocities Act. So we appeal to the people of Tripura, be with us, join hands with us, because this is not the first day that police personnel and many other people are torturing us. So we are not going to tolerate anymore. Now, if they don't register the case by tomorrow 3 p.m., we are going to call 12-hour ban, whole Tripura 12-hour ban, which may be followed by indefinite strike and other types of movement. Thank you.